What's up, YouTube? So as you can hear my toilet making noise, right? So today we're gonna be installing this right here. Feel me? First time doing this, so I'm gonna bear with me. Okay, so this one we're replacing right here. It's not pumping the water, so we're about to change it out. First thing we're gonna do is turn the water off, and then we're gonna get to work. Oh yeah, get the water out. Get the water out the back. All right, so we can get back there and turn the water off. All right, so the water off. This ain't dirty. Okay, I think that's it. All right, so we got this mop bucket with some dirty ass mop water in it. And we are gonna screw this hose right here and hopefully don't make a mess. How about that? And that's what we're about to do now. Unplug or unscrew this right here. All right, so we got the nut off, and I think this should just come out, right? Oh, it did. Look at me. Okay, I made a little mess, but so I see we gotta pull this out. Okay, so this is the old one, right? This old, okay. So the only thing I was worried about was the dang on height. That's what I was worried about. I was worried about the height. Everything else looked kind of easy. But the height was the problem for me. No, it's all the same thing. Oh, maybe I gotta adjust the height on this thing. Shit. Okay, so this is new, this is the old one. So we gotta figure out how tall to make the new one. So I think I just pull on the bottom of this. Oh, I ain't got to pull, just twist. Okay, now we twist it. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna clean this up. Look the same height to you? Okay, maybe y'all can't see it like this. Kinda, sorta. A little bit. I don't know. I guess I better screw it in. It got numbers on it. The bitch got numbers on it. And we sit right above 10. I didn't know they had numbers on it. But now I know. We're going on down there. About right there. That would look like in it. Heck yeah. Alright, so let's see if it's gonna work. Now, do this stay on? Yep, stay on. So everything stay like it is. We're gonna keep this on. We got a new hose. I don't know what this is for. I think I'm using the one we already had. Because everything on it the same. Okay. Well, we do got new hose. So we're gonna put the new hose on. Nose. So we're gonna put this in right here. Okay, I can go all the way on. Like that, like that. You like that right there? Okay, so boom. We're gonna use this. And we're gonna put a nose like that, right there. We're gonna put the nut back on. We're gonna tighten the screw up. Okay, then we're gonna put the hose back on. Okay. Okay, that's back on tight. We're gonna put our hose in. Okay, so the new is installed. Now we're gonna put the hose right here. Supposed to go down in this, like that right there. Like that. And then we're gonna turn the water back on. Fill them back up. So far we got no leaks. So we're gonna see. Look like that. You hear that? Listen, you hear that? Nothing. It's quiet. I think I did it. I think I fixed it. Now let's see if we're gonna flush. If it flush, we good. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, I think I did it. So everything good. I'm about to clean this mess up. Thanks for watching.